Daddy, where are you?
Daddy's at the office right now, but I'll be back home in 15 minutes, okay?
Hurry up. You need to talk to your wife.
Oh no. Your mom again? What happened?
She went shopping all day and totally forgot to cook dinner.
Oh my gosh, she forgot to make dinner?
Yup. I just can't believe it. Dad, you really need to remind her. Shopping all the time is too much.
Okay, sweetheart, I'm coming home right now. Guess we're eating out tonight. Are you hungry?
I'm starving. Daddy.
All right, wait for me. We'll go out as a family.
Sorry, Emma. Mommy got so carried away shopping that I totally forgot about dinner. How about we order takeout tonight, sweetie?
I already called Daddy. He said we're going out.
Perfect. Then you tell Daddy to wait a little, 'cause Mommy's about to try on the prettiest dress she scored today.
Poor Daddy.